girls. Dazzle me. Move with it. Flow with it. Show me what you got.
I call this pose Sparkly Dimples. And this one's called Who, Me? And this one's called Kiss Me, I'm Yours.
Promise me you won't go anywhere near that tractor again, Bryn. You hear me? It's a machine, not a toy.
Sorry, Elvis. I didn't know.
Of course you didn't.
Oh, yeah? I'm about to show you who's really good at losing. His team.
Hold it! Say, Cuphead, why are we fighting again? 'Cause we're not supposed to? Right!
It's me! Remember? I'm your #1 fan!
'Cause we're not supposed to?
New best pal?
Right!